Have you ever struggled to understand complex academic papers, trying to go through dense PDFs and make sense out of them? Well, Google has something that might almost revolutionize how you research and learn. Welcome to Google Illuminate. You might have heard of the already popular tool NotebookLM, but this is yet another Google product which offers more customization and create podcasts out of research papers. Let's see how it works. So this new AI-powered platform by Google turns dense academic content into engaging audio discussions. Imagine having your very own virtual tutors taking those challenging concepts and breaking them down into easy-to-follow conversations. Illuminate is designed to transform academic papers into conversational audio experiences, making learning easier, engaging, and fun. Let's take a closer look at what makes this platform so special. You can search for a topic, pick a paper from arxiv.org, I don't know how to pronounce it, arxiv.org, or even paste the URL of a PDF, and then specify for what audience do you want, what's the duration and the tone. Google Illuminate's AI analyzes the content and generates a discussion. But it's not just a summary, it's an actually engaging dialogue. Listen to this.
This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Welcome to today's discussion. We'll be exploring a research paper on the exciting intersection of augmented reality, remote work, and online education. The paper investigates how AR can improve both work efficiency and the learning experience. What are some of the key arguments presented in the paper regarding AR's potential in these fields?
The paper argues that AR, with its ability to blend virtual information with the real world, offers significant advantages.
The AI-generated voices interact with each other, discussing the core points of the paper, just like a conversation between experts, only it's designed to be accessible to everyone. So let's jump into a live demo of how you can generate your very first AI audio discussion. Let's say I'm interested in learning more about some research paper. So I have found this research paper called Google XR Objects, which is Google's new augmented intelligence-based technology. So I'm also making a video on this, which will be launched soon. So let's see. So I have this paper. I want to understand what is in it. So I just paste the link here. I'll click generate. And let Google Illuminate take over. In just a few moments, we have a full discussion ready to listen to. It's like having an audiobook made just for you, concise, engaging, and super informative. So let's listen to this just for a moment to understand how it is.
This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Welcome to the discussion. Today we're diving into a research paper titled Augmented Object Intelligence with XR Objects. This paper explores a new interaction paradigm for extended reality, XR, aiming to seamlessly integrate physical objects as interactive digital entities. For our game developer audience, the key question is, how can this research inform the design of more intuitive and engaging XR game experiences?
The core idea is Augmented Object Intelligence, AOI. Instead of treating the real world as a backdrop, AOI gives real-world objects digital capabilities. Imagine interacting directly with in-game objects as if they were real over them. Selecting them, getting information about them, and triggering actions based on their context. This could revolutionize how players interact with game environments.
That sounds promising. The paper mentions XR Objects, a prototype system. What are its key components, and how does it work?
XR Objects uses real-time object segmentation and classification via MediaPipe, combined with a multimodal large language model.
What's great about Google Illuminate is that you can take these audio discussions anywhere. You can download it as an MP3, or you can also share it with anybody. Now, Illuminate is still in its experimental phase, and there are some limitations. You are currently limited to 20 generations per day, and currently it's optimized for computer science topics, but I think Google will surely make it big and comprehensive, or make a unified product with NotebookLM. The future looks bright, and features like possible integrations to learning platforms, interactive Q&A sessions, and even options to export these audio discussions to a completely video-based podcast. So there are endless opportunities here. So if you're ready to take your learning journey to the next level, why not join the waitlist and be among the first to experience this revolutionary way to learn? I just applied for the waitlist and I got their response like, okay, you can use the tool. So I think you can also do it. I'll share the link in the description. You can go through it and work on it. With Google Illuminate, even the most complex papers can become illuminating conversations. Knowledge is power, and Google Illuminate makes accessing that power easier than ever before. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see Illuminate do next. Thanks for watching and happy learning.